Welcome to Dave's Diaries in France. Enjoy the video.
Well, good morning all. It's a beautiful day in the Mayenne. It's Monday. I've got a few things to do. I'm not in the renovation project today. So a bit of essential maintenance on the little sit-on mower, which I've prepared for use. As you can probably see, this needs a good clean. I really should think about sharpening the blade, even though it's fine. But the main task today was to fit these little roller bearings to improve the steering under heavy load. See, I don't know whether you can see there. I got one of these bearings in, and without the supplied washers, it's the original washer that's in there. So, and you put it to, and you need a washer in this end, plus a circlip. So there's no way I'm going to get a circlip in there with a washer, because I've tried. So I'm just going to have to forget that, because it's just too much. I can't do it without compromising the safety of the leg. And that's metal. Feels like metal, but I don't want to risk it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the original, take this all off, put the original washers back on, and they'll come in handy for something else, potentially. So, but that's what I'm doing. Yeah, this needs a good clean. So I'll be doing that. And I have got my strength back, because this mower is designed to be parked like that. So, yeah, I'm just going to crack on with that. You don't need to see that, do you? Might take me forever. Well, I'll film it. See how far I get. Catch you in a minute.
I went out last night, same old bar at the corner of Main. Neon script on the window, still flickered, but nobody knew my name. Empty chairs, crooked frames, TV playing to nobody there. Bartender polishing glasses in circles like a nervous little prayer. Why does everywhere look like a ghost town when I'm still breathing in the crowd? All of these streets that used to hold us feel hollow, feel too loud.
Right, that's the maintenance done on the little storb. I couldn't fit the needle washer, but everything's been greased. Everything is back together, both sides. It's a shame. I wish I had a bit more clearance, or else it would have been a lot better. It's better because I've cleaned it and lubed it. So, and I've cleaned the clean inside here. So that's all good. So it's lunchtime now. I'm not allowed to do any noisy work. Are the neighbours here? Yes, they are. So the wife told me this week that the mother-in-law's coming down for a couple of weeks because it's her birthday. I'm okay with that. No, honestly, I'm okay with that. Trust me. Was she 85, I think? And she's driving all that distance from the Lille area. And it's going to cost her a fortune because of the fuel. But it'd be nice to see her. and celebrate her birthday, and then she can go back home. I'm only joking, she's more than welcome to stay. She can stay in the Jeep. No, I'm only joking, she'll stay in the house. So, what am I going to do for the rest of the day? I am at home, I'm waiting for a parcel. So, I'm going to have lunch first. So, let's see what happens this afternoon. Alright, catch you later.
Did the city change or did I break down? I can't tell the difference now. Everywhere looks like a ghost town since you walked out. Jukebox lit up blue. I punched in our favorite track. Watch it spin through the numbers, then silence like I knew you're not coming back. Couple laughs down the block fade out before they reach my ear. I see your coat in every dark doorway, then it disappears. Why does everywhere look like a ghost town when I'm still breathing in the crowd? All of these streets that used to hold us feel hollow, feel
Time to mow the lawn. Right, I've been a busy boy today. This gate never opened fully, so now it opens fully. Got a little catch system. Job done. I still need to level this out because I've let it slip. This is my hard standing for my tractor, but the soil, the topsoil from this is going over here where the big hole is. So I'm gradually filling up the big hole. So hardcore, old tiles from the renovation project, hardcore, that'll go in, everything. And then topsoil at the end, you wouldn't even know it was mayhem. So yeah, busy one, absolutely knackered. That's took most of my day. Well, yeah, day, because it is back-breaking work. I'm an old knacker. Completed the cellar arrow window, I'm going to call it. That's all sealed, lovely. Job done. That's how it should be. So nothing's going to get in there. I've also cut the lawns. You've seen me put the side ejection thing on the lawnmower. I didn't film it because you've seen me mow the lawn before anyway. So, but the lawns are done. That takes me about an hour and a half to do all of them. I haven't done the orchard, so it's taking me an hour. The orchard doesn't need doing at the moment. This is for the déchetterie. Here, down here, we've got mole entry points. There, one there, another one here, and if you see the fur, another one here, in there, and another one in there. The thing is, I filled them with fur, dog fur, autumn's dog fur. So, let's see what happens. Let's just see what happens. And this we seeded yesterday. That's all grass seed. It's all, we haven't got a roller, so I basically got a plank and was, you don't want to know, plank on there and using my full body weight. So that's all seeded. Under the tree, it's all seeded. And all the border. So, that's a bloody good day's work. It did get warm, but it's got a bit chilly now. So it's not quite, even though the clocks went forward over the weekend, it's still not quite there. But I'm here tomorrow. I've got to finish off down there, take the topsoil off, and carry on with it. Oh, I better close that as well. That gate. Yeah, so that's a good one. So I'm going to leave it on this one. Give me a like, subscribe, do the thing. And I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-ta for now.
Ta-ta for now.